Hey there! If you're a dropshipper, you're already familiar with the competitiveness of Shopify. Finding hot products, tracking what your competitors are doing, and keeping up with trends isn't just helpful, it's essential. That's where PPSPY comes in. Today, I'm giving you a full review of this AI-powered Shopify Spy tool to see if it truly lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk competitor tracking. With PPSPY, you can track any competitor's sales in seconds. I'm not kidding. You just plug in a Shopify store and boom, you get a 15-day sales report. The AI guesses their order data, so you're not just guessing what's working for them. You've got real numbers to back up your next move. I've used a lot of tools, and this one is faster than most. It's practically instant. Now, onto market research. PPSPY lets you filter Shopify stores by revenue, keywords, search volume, region, language, you name it. If you want to know which stores are killing it with Facebook ads or which ones are blowing up in a specific country, you can find that with just a couple clicks. You can even dig into free versus paid traffic, or see which apps and themes a store is using. That's the kind of detail that can give you a real edge. Product research is where things get really spicy. You can hunt down hot-selling products based on monthly sales and revenue, and even get ideas for your product pages. Find out what's trending, what's proven, and what might be the next big thing, without scrolling endlessly through AliExpress or TikTok. What if you're into niche one-product stores? PPSPY helps you spot the best dropshipping niches, the most profitable single products, and even gives you ideas for compelling product copy. If you want to sell to passionate buyers, this is huge. I also love the Shopify theme design insights. PPSPY shows you what themes popular stores are using, how many products they have, and even the language or product types. It's a goldmine if you're stuck on your own store layout or want to copy a high-converting design. And don't skip their traffic research tools. You get to analyze where stores are getting their visitors. Is it SEO, paid ads, social, or email? If you want to find stores that are blowing up or get ideas for your own marketing, this feature alone is worth a look. So, is PPSPY the best Shopify spy tool for dropshippers? Honestly, with everything packed in one dashboard and the speed of their AI, I think it's at the top of the game right now. If you want to take your dropshipping business seriously, give PPSPY a shot. They're offering a free trial, so you've got nothing to lose. Hit the link below to start your trial today, and let me know in the comments what you think. Catch you in the next one.